Hey everyone, I made it finally to Michael's, and my Michael's finally put out their Halloween decor. So witches a lair, that is actually really cool. And you know what? It's already 25% off. Can you believe that? Let's see, little book of spells, the fortune teller, 20. And I'm loving like these little coffins, right? The glass ones.
Reminds me of that Houdini glass coffin. Remember the one he escaped from?
Yeah. Have you guys checked out your local Michael's, and what do you feel about it? I feel like a lot of it is very similar from last year. They just kind of changed it up, but you know, the same decor, just maybe different colors. Yeah. You know this one's gonna light up because I bought one last year. So all black one. So $29.99 by Ashlyn.
I do like that painting.
Right here, yeah. I don't know why this painting is giving me Stevie Nicks vibes from the American Horror Story. The girl. Yeah. What is her name?
Oh, Misty.
Misty. It's giving me Misty vibes. I know, kind of weird, right? Fortune teller, welcome. That's a nice one too. These are 10. $17. Canada is going to be 20. They do have your October 31st pillow. Oh, look down here. This is new.
What is it?
It's like they're calling it Gothic Garden. So $20. I'm not too sure, honey. But that's a new one. So this one. Plenty of signs. $12. Different, huh?
Mm-hmm. Or am I thinking of grapevines?
That's kind of a cool plate. $8 for the plate. And look at this one. Toad tongues. Ah, for $8. You know, it's really funny because it's been raining here. We have toads. I keep finding them in my front yard when I'm walking, but I have to make sure the dog doesn't eat it. Yeah. And it amazes me that they live underground, right? And they only come out when it rains.
It amazes me somebody wants to lick those things.
And this is all they have in this area. So I must have like went by really fast. Once they threw it out, people just bought it. Let's see. Can't believe it's leaving already. 15. And that is and 20. Little guy, farm fresh ghost, buy 3 get 1 free. Buy what? Ghost or pumpkins? Can we buy a ghost in a bottle? $20.
Like at a Disneyland.
Yeah.
The ghost in the bottle.
And the Happy Halloween tin ones are back. Hocus Pocus, these are 15. Now I do think these are really neat. They're $15. Hopefully they're still around. This is something really cute to have or to give. 2 skull hands on here, and this one has, I wonder if it's missing the bat, because over here we have the skull hand and 2 bats. They're cute. Really cute. Boo and the cat and pumpkin. I was hoping to find more vintage. Hopefully my location will bring out more Halloween decor. I feel like this is not enough. 20. Then Hocus Pocus at the bottom. Grab Life by the broom. These are kind of cute. Oh, I like the large ones. They're $7. You know, you could find the tiny ones in Dollar Tree. And 20 for the Boo. Spooky is 20 as well. Haunted House, Spooky Street, Boo Boulevard. Let's see. 20. A lot of signs. Here's a little ghost with the welcome. With the hanging feet for 15. Normally they have the hanging feet people, right? By themselves. I don't see it this year. Not yet. Side they have Pretty Scary. A lot of pinks. Oh, he's on the toilet. Keep Out, Gone at Last, Till Death Do Us Part. These are 12. Then Happy Halloween, $20. Let me turn it around. And Welcome Witches. These are 15. Spells, but you know what? This is actually really neat. I don't remember it, not even from last year. It's a skull with a rose, like a resin skull for $30. That's actually quite neat. Let me bring this one. Just a Little Wicked, like a coffin. These are 8. Never Stop Being Odd, 8. Never. 22. Be yourself. These are kind of cool. They have like a leopard one too, like a pink and like a brown one. But I wish the skull was on it, just different colors. $9. That's gonna be 40. Boo, Welcome to Our Home. And here's like Snake and Rose on a skull for 15. That's a cool sign too. I could see that on a shirt. Oh look, they're painting his nails. And then Queen of Halloween for 15. This one out. And 20. So you have the green. And this one I see all the time. Like people on Etsy and stuff, they use this on like coffee mugs and sweaters for 20. And then wooden signs, we've seen this one before already. Dragon, squirrels, pumpkin, a spider and cat. Oh, what is that? I don't know, just found this randomly. I don't know if that's part of Halloween or not. Alright you guys, I think that is gonna do it for this Halloween walkthrough in my Michaels. This is everything they have. Please don't wake the dead. These are 20. And look, they have the cat, the rat, and the toad. And the evil rabbit. Don't forget about your bloody hand. These are kind of cute. These are $3. They could be used as a magnet. Alright you guys, please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one.